Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful butterfly wreath into a bride's bouquet or a flower girl's bouquet. To start with, I would select the greenery and the flowers I want to use. Then heat up the glue gun. Make sure you always follow the instruction manual with the glue gun. And use with extreme caution because they can get extremely hot. So this being the top here, I would then try and make something symmetrical. So my idea is to have a leaf here, have some flowers, and then another leaf at the other side like this. Now the original plan was to keep using the glue gun, but unfortunately it blew the fuse, so I am going to continue by using a different technique, which is using tape. So I have placed these three together and take this through, spinning it round as you've seen in my other videos, like so. Have a bit more greenery. Making sure that this will be symmetrical on both sides. Here we go. Then I would add in the other side. So how to do that is, there's different ways, but the way I'm going to show you today is just by attaching that like that. And I think I'll need to just cut this small bit of wire sticking out. With the wire cutters. So to put this in like this makes it a bit clumpy, so I would cut these. To make it an individual stem, or use this colour. It's quite difficult for me to decide between purple and pink, but I will go with the pink. But first I will add in some of the filler flowers. Once I have that shape, I would then try and add flower in the middle. Like so. Here is the finished bouquet. I have added some ribbon at the bottom there to help attach it onto the wreath. And to wear it, you could just put it round your wrist like this, to make it into a bride's bouquet or a flower girl's bouquet. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see any more videos on flower arranging, I hope to make this with real flowers in the future, then please subscribe.